If you're watching this video, you're probably like me, you love tea. And so does more than half of the world's population. Do you know that tea is the second most popular drink, water being number one? And we all know that we need to take at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay healthy, especially with the coronavirus or COVID-19 that's threatening our world today. What if you can take your daily dose of 8 glasses of water and infuse that water with more antioxidants and benefits that are associated with tea? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way of brewing your iced tea, making it less bitter, less tannin. I'm going to show this to you using a simple experiment showing the difference between hot brew and cold brew. I'm going to use 2 regular tea bags, black tea, and we're going to compare between hot and cold brew. So here, I'm going to put 1 tea bag into 1 cup and the other black tea bag into another cup. So let's fill it up to the brim. And that's your 1 cup of black tea using hot brew. In the other cup, let us use cold water. Let's put cold water into this cup. Exactly 1 full cup. So the difference is that when you use hot brew, it's like watching a marathon. So it's a very fast steeping process. So using cold water is kind of like watching a golf game. It's very slow and deliberate. So we are going to let it steep for about 4 to 6 hours, put it in the fridge. Whilst for the hot brew, all we need is about 2 to 3 minutes of brewing. Now, if you're going to use it for fruit tea, 2 to 3 minutes should be good enough. If you're going to make a milk tea out of it, you should double the time that you will take to brew the tea. And now for the moment of truth. This was the tea that we used hot water to brew, hot brew, and this was the tea that we used cold water to brew and kept it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. First, let's look at the color. I'm going to transfer them into a clear glass so we can see the color. Okay, so we start with the one using cold brew. There you go. And then let's put our hot brewed tea into the glass. 2 different ways of brewing your black tea. One is the cold brew and it gives you a lighter color, whereas the hot brew gives you a darker color. Now let's give them a try. We'll start with the hot brew. And the cold brew. There's a whole world of difference here. The cold brew doesn't give you that bitter taste at all. It's just refreshing and vegetal. Whereas the hot brew gives you that bitter taste, which is normally complemented by packing it in with sugar, making it less healthy. So, for a delightful iced drink, iced tea, I would suggest you do it the cold brew way. Here's my cold brew tea, and I put a lot of fresh oranges in it, making it even more healthy, packed with vitamin C. Cheers. Once you've made your iced tea, you can put it in your water bottle, which you can drink throughout the day. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more of these videos. In the meantime, have a lovely day and thank you for watching. Ciao for now.